What are the origins of calculus? Imagine trying to understand how a car speeds up or slows down at every moment in time. That's what calculus helps us do, but how did this powerful tool come to be? The story of calculus spans many centuries and cultures, showing how humans have always been curious about change and the shape of things. Long ago, ancient civilizations started exploring ideas about limits, tiny quantities, and areas under curves. In ancient Greece, around the 5th century BC, philosophers like Democritus thought about infinitely small parts called infinitesimal, even though they seemed paradoxical because dividing something endlessly was hard to accept. Later, in the 3rd century BC, the Greek mathematician Archimedes created the method of exhaustion. This technique used shapes of known size to approximate areas and volumes, similar to how we now use integrals to find the area under a curve. During the Middle Ages, progress slowed in Europe, but other parts of the world made important advances. Arab mathematicians like Ibn al-Haytham worked on formulas to calculate volumes of curved objects, and in India, the Kerala School of Astronomy and Mathematics developed early ideas about differentiation and integration. They even created series expansions similar to what we now call Taylor series for functions like sine and cosine. These ideas laid important groundwork for later developments. The real breakthrough happened in the late 17th century when two mathematicians, Isaac Newton from England and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz from Germany, independently developed calculus as a complete system. Newton focused on fluxions, which described how things change instantly, like speed. Leibniz introduced notation and methods for differentiation and integration, making the ideas easier to work with. Their work combined earlier concepts into a new way of understanding change and accumulation, creating what we now call modern calculus. The word calculus comes from Latin, meaning small pebble, because ancient people used pebbles for counting. Today, calculus is essential in many fields like physics, engineering, and economics. It helps us understand how things move, grow, and change over time. So, the origins of calculus reflected a long history of curiosity, discovery, and collaboration across many cultures, all aiming to understand the world through numbers and their meanings.